We're gonna jump on Justin on the bed while he's sleeping. He's gonna get pissed at me. He's gonna get really pissed. Hey, Mom, don't laugh. Damn it.
Oh shit. Justin, you pissed? How pissed off are you? You better be pissed off than pissed on though, right? Let's go find your brother. He's sitting down, he ain't gonna get you. Come on.
Where's he at?
He's right there sitting down.
Hey, dude, don't get mad at me. It was funny. Just chill. Take a breath.
Justin, you still mad?
I was trying to sleep.
That shit was...
I can't sleep lately, and I told him something's bothering me, so I can't sleep.
Well, Chance, why didn't you tell me that?
What?
He couldn't sleep good. You want your turn? Huh? You want your turn? Napoleon. Napoleon!
Let's go stick him on the bed, dude.